हाँ ठीक है। यो एवरीवन, व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। मैं चश्मा पहन लेता हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा अपने आप को अजीब लगता है चश्मे में देखने में, बट वेलकम बैक टू ए रेगुलर व्लॉग। ट्रैक के व्लॉग सारे डल चुके हैं। आई होप आप सबने देखे हो। आई नो उस पर इतने व्यूज़ नहीं आए, विच इज़ लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटिंग, बट ठीक है। वी आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम ओनली क्यूबिंग कॉन्टेंट टू ओनली व्लॉग्स ऑन दिस चैनल। अब तक तो आई थिंक क्लियर हो गया होगा सबको। एंड क्यूबिंग के लिए एक और चैनल बनाया है, वहाँ पे मैं कंटेंट अपलोड करता रहूँगा साथ साथ। टुडे इज़ मंडे, आई एम एन्जॉइंग माई ब्लैक कॉफ़ी। आई हैड चाय अ फ्यू आवर्स बैक विद अ प्रोटीन बार। अभी मैंने कुछ प्रॉपर मील नहीं लिया है, दैट आई ओनली टेक बिफोर द जिम एंड आफ्टर द जिम। उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे। द ट्रैक वॉज एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल, बहुत मज़े आए। यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट इन द फुटेज. And in this vlog, I'll just take you through my regular day, but I will talk about more things which I normally don't talk about in my videos. I have never been like actually like real in the videos which I am making. Usually it's like funny या फिर I am just very very not myself, I would say. मैं बहुत सोच समझ के बात करता हूँ. If I am making a cubing video and if it's a fun vlog, then you just see my fun side. But there are a lot of things in my life which have already happened, which are happening, that I don't talk about, no one talks about normally, but I feel like I will start sharing things, real things in my vlogs, because then it'll be just hollow. If I just make cubing competition vlogs and like घूमने फिरने के vlogs, that is just like a little too repetitive. One second, मैं लियो को लेके आता हूँ, he's right there. So Leo is here only, इधर बालकनी में घूम रहा है. ऑल्सो नेवर एड्रेस्ड कि मैं शिफ्ट हो चुका हूँ, मैं नोएडा शिफ्ट हुआ हूँ. मैंने बीच में किसी व्लॉग में बोला होगा, बट दिस प्लेस इज़ वेरी नाइस. वी हैव गॉटन यूज्ड टू इट. काफ़ी टाइम लगा था यूज्ड टू होने में. इट्स ओनली डिफिकल्ट फॉर माई मॉम, बिकॉज जहाँ हम पहले रहते थे, माई मॉम हैज़ बीन बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप देयर, सो for her it's a little bit of a change, but for me and my brother and my dad it's not that difficult. Leo, no, no. So talking about cubing, I have a competition in less than 2 weeks. नोएडा में ही है, नोएडा में ही रहता हूँ मैं अभी. It's not that far, it's like 30 minutes away from my place, so I'll be vlogging there. But I want to talk about my recent cubing competitions. जो लोग follow कर रहे हैं मेरे results को, vlogs को, उन्होंने देखा होगा कि I haven't been really performing well. And I get this question a lot कि like not directly but in some way or the other, people ask me कि why are you performing bad now, how do you feel about it, and आपका प्राइम इतने इतने सालों तक था, now you're not doing that well. लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा है ऑलमोस्ट अपफ्रंट होके on my Instagram DMs and all. So I will talk about it today because to be honest it sucks. It does feel really really bad. At my last competition I came second, but the problem was not coming second. It was just that I did really really bad for my standards. And up until a point in my life I was like this in cubing, and then एकदम से downfall शुरू हुआ. And I haven't got a record in 2 years now. More than 2 years हो जाएंगे 2026 में. And that honestly sucks because I have been trying to get the 3x3 national record, average, single. 4x4 is now out of reach. That also kind of sucks because I had the single in 2023. Now it does feel really really bad. भाई बहुत बुरा लगता है. That feeling after doing a bad round of 3x3 officially, it's a huge punch in the gut. And no matter what I am getting at home, at comms is just not that good nowadays, and I hate that feeling. But the only thing I can do is move past it and look forward to the next competition. It's very good to see that people are still rooting for me to get the 3x3 NR average back and a single back, but I can't really promise anything at this point. Considering the last few competitions, I'll just keep my expectations a bit low. बाकी जो होगा देखा जाएगा. But the truth is, it feels bad reaching your prime and then climbing down from there. The rankings, the results, everything. It just sucks. I think everyone goes through this, especially in the cubing. Sorry, पीछे लियो भौंक रहा था. Cubing journey. Basically, what I'm trying to say is everyone, no matter cubing or any other field, goes through it. They reach a prime and then someone else takes over and then they try to get it back. So it's like up and down. But cubing में specifically, I've seen कि as you get older, the times that you get will not improve a lot. or you might even do worse. At least that's what happened with me, and I've seen that trend with some other Qers as well. But I think it's very natural, but it takes time to accept it कि भाई ठीक है, it is what it is. You just gotta go to comms, have fun, do your best, and if it happens, happens. If not, talking about life happens for everyone. I want to talk about one more thing in this video, which I haven't ever talked about openly, is my breakup. So this question has been asked to me on my Instagram live. लोग मज़े लेने के लिए बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं, but DM से भी मुझसे लोग पूछते हैं कि what happened, why did it happen, क्या हुआ, ये वो. And I will not go into that because I think that's not something I should. But I will say a few things. That one, I am a much happier person now. I think everyone can see it. I think you can see from my face, my Instagram feed, my content, whatever I've been posting, I think it's very visible. And second thing I would say is कि I want to talk about everyone else because I've been seeing this thing that I was in myself around me. So basically I want to talk about people around me experiencing the things, sort of the things I experienced in my own relationship. And I would say one thing, I have seen this happening with kids, my age also, and also teenagers. You don't have to stay in a toxic relationship. Whatever is normalized to you कि ये ऐसा होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता. अगर आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ ख़राब हो रही है, अगर आप एंशियस हो रहे हो, अगर आप रो रहे हो, दैट इज़ नॉट नॉर्मल, दैट इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ अ गुड रिलेशनशिप. You have to move out of it, and it's just not about a relationship. Anything that makes you suffer, like actually suffer for no reason, then it's not good for you. And that is what I felt, and then I moved on, and I have been moving on, and I'm doing good in my life, so I'm really happy about it. Talking about today's day, आज क्या करना है? सबसे पहले मैं नहाऊंगा because I'm stinking, and then I have to give a couple of cubing sessions. And by the way, people ask me तो आजकल क्या कर रहा है? What have you been up to? Are you working? क्या कर रहा है ये वो? I usually give one simple response कि भाई मैं MBA की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, but मैंने CAT दिया, it did not go that well मेरी expectation से. But my main focus actually has been giving cubing coaching since the past few months because I was working for a long time and I was giving cubing coaching side by side, and I saw more potential on cubing coaching than I was the place I was working. So I had quit my job in June. Ever since then, I've just been heavy on cubing coaching. Something is in development right now. You will see cool things in the future. इसको expand कर रहे हैं हम, and hopefully that will turn out well. And उसके बाद I'll hit the gym today. I was going to hit the gym अभी the time I'm making this video, but वो थोड़ा plan हिल गया because Leo couldn't let me sleep the last night. But anyway, that's the plan for today. I'll take you through the day, and yeah, and I think बहुत बोल लिया मैं. Now let's get the day started. Okay, change of plans. पहले मैं खाऊंगा, एक सेशन दूंगा, फिर मैं नहाऊंगा, फिर मैं और सेशंस दूंगा. Look at this guy. This. What the bro just burped. Learn the algorithms from there and we will start revising, okay?
Yeah.
First session is done, but I feel hungry again. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एक heavy meal ले लेता हूँ क्योंकि इस सेशन के बाद मैं जिम चले जाऊँगा नहा के. मैं नहाया नहीं हूँ यार. I feel so embarrassed in this vlog. नीचे क्या गिरा? Anyway, so I'll make a chicken sandwich right now with whole wheat breads. And I'll eat that फटाफट and I'll give the second session आज 2 ही दिन है, and then I'll head to the gym नहा के. See you guys. भाई ये मील ना मैं रोज़ खा रहा हूँ. चिकन, इग्नोर द पैन, मैंने ऑयल यूज़ नहीं किया था बिल्कुल भी. इसका मैं सैंडविच बना रहा हूँ. Every single day I'm eating this. Even though I am getting a little bored of it, I'll still eat it because my body weight is going down, and this is tasty enough for me to keep on track. So there is my pre-workout meal. अब इसके बाद मैं सेशन देके निकलूँगा जिम के लिए. So I'll be full of carbs, and even though आज आर्म्स डे मुझे बहुत एनर्जी लगती है because I fail every set pretty much. So I'm gonna push hard and I'm going to demolish this meal and then the gym. Let's fucking go. So second cup of coffee and the second session of the day. ये पीते पीते मैं अपना सेशन दूंगा. थोड़ा लेट हो गया हूँ जिम के लिए निकलने के लिए, but I have my tripod with me. I may or may not record today's workout depending on कितनी भीड़ है. I'm not used to recording in a very full gym, so I'll try, but I'll definitely record a physique check. So I'm done with my workout. could not record shit here because बहुत भीड़ थी. I did shoulders and arms. I can't really pose shirtless right now because of my chest, but I'll show you my back. Everyone, so right now I'm walking Leo here and workout बहुत अच्छा हुआ था आज, but the gym was a little too crowded, so I could not record anything like I mentioned. However, मैं घर आके मस्त खाना खा लिया. I in fact ate too much. I might be overboard my calories today, which I'm really not happy about, but it is what it is. I'll walk a bit more than normal today, and usually I walk around 12 to 15,000 steps every single day. However, मेरे last 7 days का average कल रात को 15,000 से ऊपर दिखा रहा था. So I'm quite happy about that. I've been walking, and also I've reached my lowest weight since August of 2024, 99 kilos. However, आज सुबह it shot up to 101, but that is like carbs वगैरह की वजह से. I could not sleep well, so I was a little bloated in the morning. But I touched 99, so I'm gonna go below that very soon. And my physique is starting to look थोड़ी सी अच्छी. My arms are popping and I can see chest veins and shit. Back is looking good as usual. And I'm walking थोड़ा light का दिक्कत है यहाँ पे. But anyway, this vlog was mostly to talk about the things I started talking in the beginning of the video. And hopefully I'll be able to keep my vlogs a bit more raw. And raw in the sense ये नहीं होता कि सिर्फ कुछ भी बोल दिया funny वाले वे में raw, but actually raw. So I am hoping that this vlog will be nice to watch, somewhat relatable in some sense, and yeah, this is about it. I'll do another vlog tomorrow maybe, and उसमें मैं पूरा workout वगैरह सब record करूँगा. So I'll end the vlog here. See you guys, take care, bye bye.